In this tutorial video we will cover adding new sub-pages to the main gallery area on the site, as well as being able to embed groups of images in galleries within, say, a news post. We also have an area on the site called Gallery, where you may want to record maybe more important or poignant occasions during the school's life. Obviously, if you embed a gallery in the news articles, that's fine, but that's going to, over time, disappear or go into an archive that won't be as readily available. So for occasions where you feel it warrants going into the main gallery, which you can decide amongst yourselves, this is what we do. So you'll see you've got a main gallery page, and then each sub-gallery page that links off it has a little icon thumbnail and then a title, and when you click on that it takes you to a separate page where the full gallery is made available. And you can see we also have different ways of displaying images. This is like a left to right lightbox method. It's very nice on sort of tablets and smartphones, because it enables swipe to move the images around. We've also got some other layout options I'll cover. So how do we create one of these sub pages that will then be displayed on the main gallery page? Well, this is what we do. If you open another tab in your browser and log in to your site using your username and login provided, you will be presented with the dashboard. Now this will be for teaching staff and managers. This won't be available to office staff currently. So down the left hand side you'll have a more simpler layout, but you should see, if you're a teacher logging in or a manager, you should see pages. Here we go, pages. And if you go to add new, so we're creating a new page. If you then give the page a title, and you can add some text if you want. If you want to maybe give a little introduction, and this can be before or after the gallery. Just do a little return, and then we're going to go to add media. Now you've got the option here of choosing previously uploaded files in your media library, or you can add some at this moment. So first I'm going to add some files, and if I go desktop, I've got some ready here. The site itself, if you've got very large files, it will compress them and cut their size down to a maximum of about 1,000 pixels wide, which keeps the site nice and lean. Okay, you can see the upload progress bars. So here we've got our 9 images that I've uploaded. You've got a little toggle whether or not you select them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick these bottom 3, and then these three as well. If you hold the shift key, you'll group, you will do multiple select. Right, down the bottom you can see we've selected these 6, and then what we want to do here is create a gallery. just while we're here, you can also see you can create an audio playlist. So if you upload several MP3 files, you can place these on a page together if you like. So if I go create gallery, it's now put these, oh there we go, down the bottom right I have to hit this create new gallery. And you'll see now we've got just our 6 images. We're at this point and later on we're able to reorganize where they go if we like. We're able to add a little caption if you feel you have time or the inclination. Right, I can insert the gallery at this point, but you'll see these settings up here. These are the 4 options you have for how they look on the page. So you've got a basic thumbnail grid, and then you'd be able to say how many columns you wanted those displayed in. Obviously the more columns, the smaller the thumbnails are. This would work quite well as a 3-column grid. You've also got tiled mosaic, which is where that's good for if you've got portrait and landscape shots together. It tiles them up nicely. Got square tiles, we've also got circles. And then this file, this link option here is when you click the thumbnail on the gallery page, will it pop up a larger version of the image at all? If you have it set on none, it won't. And I think if you go onto the attachment page, you get the left-right swiping navigation on a white background. And if you get media file, it just enlarges that single thumbnail you click on. So we're going to try the other method, the single file. If I hit insert gallery, and there's our gallery placed below the text on our site page. The final and the penultimate thing we have to do is we have to set a little thumbnail that will appear here. So what single image do we want to represent the whole sub-gallery page? So that's our featured image. If I click on featured image, I'm going to choose this shot of brushes here, and you'll see that load up as the featured image. You can switch it around if you want using this link. And finally, and the most important part, is we have to make its parent page this main gallery page, because it's effectively a child of this gallery page. So on this drop down for the parent, if we come down, and you will see it shows gallery on that list. If I then hit publish, and then I refresh the main gallery page, we should see our page appear. Yeah, there we go, test gallery. It obviously puts them in date order. If I then click on that test gallery, this is our individual sub-gallery page, a little bit of introduction text, and then here's our thumbnails of each of the gallery images. There's our caption we added, and when you click, you get the left-right navigation, which you can hit the escape key or this little close button up there. Okay, that's worked all right. What I might like to do is actually just change the gallery slightly. So if you go back into your edit screen in the other browser tab and click on any of this area, you'll see I've got the option to delete the gallery or to edit it. I'm going to edit my gallery. I'm going to make this shot appear first. I'm going to try the other display method, and I want the tiled mosaic layout. So if I hit update gallery and then update my page, and then I go to my front end in the other browser tab and do a refresh. Refresh is Command R on a Mac or the F5 key on a PC. So if I refresh the actual test gallery page, you can see the layout has changed into this tiled mosaic layout. Captions appear as little rollovers. My compass image has changed to the first image, and when we click on these images, we're getting this same left-right scroll method. So that's how we create pages that link into the main gallery page. In Synopsys, log into the back end, create a new page, upload and embed a gallery onto that page, and make its parent the main gallery page.